Hello everyone, this is Ashik from NEXIS International. Today I will talk about Oxford ELLT test, which is called OIETC. So specifically, I will talk about a speaking section. Okay, so in this speaking, there will be a four section. Okay, so in the section one, they will ask you some general question about yourself, like what do you do, what is your future plan, and why do you want to study in the UK, and sometime they will ask you about your leisure activity. Okay, and in the section 2 they will give you a presentation topic which will be given 15 minutes before. Okay, and you have to speak for 3 to 5 minutes. So this is quite longer, but I believe you can do it. Okay, in the section 3 they will ask you about your writing that you have submitted in the writing assessment. Okay, in the section 4 they will show you basically a picture, and they will ask you to describe the picture, and then they will ask you some general question related to this picture. So this is all about Oxford ELLT test. Okay, thank you very much.